Hi folks, welcome to another video. So we're actually in the shop. Well, shop, I say the little bit of barn that we got. Now this is tiny, but at least I'll be able to get the Escort in and carry on with that until the other one's built around the corner. So anyway, let me give you a quick 360 of what we got. So this is it. It's basically the size of a double garage, sort of. It's 16 foot by 14 foot, so it's tight, but I've got this sliding door here, and then I've got an entrance here. I've just got in. I'm working out where I can put my cameras up and working up with the lighting until I get the car in. I don't really know how I'm going to lay it out because, as I say, it's tight, but it is absolutely fucking beautiful over here. I mean, look how clean this is over here. It's better than that last shit on. I will try and dig out the footage of driving around that place. I sent it to Myco at Outlaw Edge. Yeah, I did send the fucking focus, you dick. Fucking ugly enough as it is. Don't need fucking. Yeah, I did send the footage to Myco of showing round. Well, I couldn't at the time, but now I don't give a shit. Now I'm out of there. I really couldn't give a toss. So if I can dig it out, I'll put the little clip at the end of just driving around that shithole. It's a completely different fucking animal. So yeah, I'm going to try and get these cameras up and then I'll back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got all my cameras up. I'm going to call it a day for today. I need to get back. I need to do my tool time Tuesday, to be fair. Also, my battery is literally on about 3% right now, so I hope I can actually record this all in one go. Otherwise it's going to piss me off. So anyway, yeah, I'm not going to show you my cameras, obviously, for security reasons, but I do have the van in the door, so you can see how much space I'm going to have to work in. It's fucking tight in here. I haven't got it all the way in, but I mean, I can just about gauge the length of my van, and then that's the length of the unit. So yeah, it's going to be fucking tight. And then, like I said, this bit opens, and then there's like other people sort of in there and stuff. But at least I can crack on and actually do something. Yeah, it's already come past then. I don't know why I still get really anxious on camera and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. You know, it's quite tight in here, but at least I can actually crack on and do something and start earning some money again. So yeah, please give me a subscribe, please give me a like, drop a comment in the description, you know, even just to say hello. Please have a look at my merch store. Like I said, I've just got this. There's another one being built that I really want to get into so I can really start doing some shit properly, but I need all the funds I can get. So please have a look at my merch store, Teespring. We've got t-shirts, mugs, cups, various different colours, leggings, bags. Please go have a look. Yeah, please support me on Patreon. I know it's a bit shit at the minute, but I am trying to get it a lot more on there. All of the RS Turbo videos are going to be up there as soon as I've edited them, and then they won't be on YouTube until they're finished. I want to get the Vespa video. I've got part 2 of the Vespa video done. I just haven't had time to edit it and then get it up. I really am rushing. I do apologise. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to the rest of the community. You know, I've got to give a shout out to Joey Collins, Mill Creek Fab Shop. You know, he's doing some fantastic work at the minute. You know, he's got one arm. He's a real inspiration. He put up a video today. No, not today. Yesterday. Doesn't matter. He put up a video, and then, you know, the whole video was just him struggling, but he managed to achieve what he wanted to achieve. And you know, he just won't take no for an answer. Fucking love it. Go check him out. Give him some love. Then you've got Myco Knight. You know, he's just started out. He's got a few videos up at the minute. He's looking to expand. He's trying to get a logo out. Yeah, if he's trying to do a logo. If any of you out there know sort of how to do logos, want to help him out, give him some advice, and or like even take it on for him, you know, go look at him, go help him out. Then we've got NZ Mopar. You know, he's trying to get over to the States at the minute, but he's currently restoring a 1925 Studebaker. Absolutely fantastic fucking machine. You know, he's doing some great work on that. Who else we got? Ralfy Customs. Fucking sorry, buddy. Fucking mind just went blank. Ralfy Customs. I literally just watched the video as well. Yeah, go check out Ralfy. He does amazing stuff on bikes. He's pretty obsessed with his lathes at the minute. He's learning on it, and he's just obsessed. But you know, fucking fair play to him. You know, it's one of them. It's just like a little boy with a new tool. And then Arco and Heidi. You know, they pretty much got us all together and created this little community, and we're all trying to help each other out. All of the links for all them channels are going to be in the description. The same as my Teespring store, my Patreon, and a donate page for PayPal. And yeah, I'll see you for the next one. Catch you later. Bye.